Our trip to Africa begins with one of nature's great wonders, Victoria Falls. Its African name, which means the smoke that thunders, could hardly be more fitting. In 1855, David Livingstone discovered the falls for Europeans. Even today, they appear as untouched and overwhelming as they must have seemed back then. From a distance, you can see the spray rising. It creates a lush rainforest right by the falls. Faced with these masses of water, we suddenly feel tiny and insignificant. Across a width of 1.7 kilometers, the Zambezi River plunges around 110 meters into the depths here.
Where it is raining upside down.
Yeah.
And then over here we've got a beautiful trash can, which is baboon-proof.
Baboon-proof?
Baboon-proof, sir.
The bins are specially designed so that monkeys cannot rummage for food in them. By the end of our walk, we are completely soaked. The fine mist is everywhere. Behind the waterfall, the river is still wild and turbulent. For thrill seekers, there are also spectacular activities here, though not for us. An unforgettable highlight is the helicopter flight over the falls.
As I said, we assign the seats according to the weight, so I'll lead you to the helicopter. You follow me.
After a briefing on the safety rules, we are weighed so that the seating can be allocated optimally. What a contrast. Upstream of the falls, the Zambezi is a wide, calm river. The raging waterfalls are simply breathtaking, a sight that leaves us speechless. "10,000 cubic meters of water plunge into the depths every second. Below the falls, the river winds its way through narrow gorges. We feel fortunate to witness this extraordinary natural spectacle once in a lifetime.